Marami ang nababahala sa mataas na bilang ng mga kabataang nakaranas.
Na nasa edad 15 hanggang 24 ang sangkot sa premarital sex.
Ang mas nakababahala pa, mahigit kalahati sa kanila ang nakikipagtalik daw ng walang proteksyon.
At ang isa sa mga itinuturong dahilan nito sa pamamagitan ng gadgets at social media.
Na mas marami na ngayon ang paraan ng sexual activities ng mga kabataan gaya ng casual sex.
Imbis na nag-aaral, nag-aalaga ng bata.
Curiosity din kasi.
John 10:10 says, like the thief comes to steal, kill, and destroy. Sexuality can really be distorted.
The youth today are immersed in a very sexualized culture, and they're getting so many confusing false messages from the world through media, through school curriculums, through friends, through the internet.
As a whole, the Christian community has really been silent.
The Christian school where I came from, it was just known as extreme abstinence. But in the heat of the moment and the decisions that you make, you need something more than just a good teaching.
The word explicit means very clear and complete, leaving no room for confusion or doubt.